Hi guys, for today's video, we will make it ginger powder in just only 3 ingredients. I have 1 kilo of ginger, 1 kilo of brown sugar, and 500 ml of water. So what we need to do is to slice our ginger. And after this, once you finish slice, you need a blender. You put all together, all the ingredients, and blend it. For me, I use Thermomix 5, the second generation. So whatever blender do you have, and then you can use it. So now, and after blend, I separate the skin of the ginger, and I need only juice. And after that, I mix the brown sugar and mix it until melt. And now we need a steamer. And then after steam, I put the pan and then put on fire. Watch out the bubbles, and this is the first boiling, the second boiling, and the third bubbles. So if you can see this kind of bubbles, so you need to mix every minute. So now it's become sticky, and if you can see, there is a powder aside of the pan, and then you need to turn off the fire and sit aside. And then while you sit aside, you need to mix every minute and until to turn to powder. And this is it. So now I'm not happy because there is some big sizes of the ginger, and then I put back to the blender to my Thermomix 5, and this is it. This is very refined result for our Thermomix 5. And now this is it. Let's drink. Thanks for watching.